If you have been wondering whether can you make money on TikTok, then you'll be able to know the answer today because I have been testing out TikTok since 6 months ago, and today I want to share the results with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Since last year, I have seen many brands rave about TikTok and how this social media platform is able to bring in traffic for their businesses. So I decided to try it out, and I managed to grow my account from less than 100 followers to now 17,000 in about 7 months time. Not fantastic growth, but I'm quite amazed by the result and the numerous ways it has helped me to make money on TikTok. In today's video, I will be sharing 3 ways I use to monetize on TikTok. Number 1, turn TikTok into a sales funnel. For those who have been following me, you know that I'm a full-time course creator, an online business coach, and a creative agency owner. I grow my personal brand through social media to gain exposure. My main traffic is mostly here on YouTube, where I share many free tips on how to make money online. So when I get to know about TikTok, I wanted to test to see if TikTok can perform the same as YouTube, since both platforms focuses on video contents. In less than 6 months, I managed to double my email subscribers list. As you can see from the analytics, the growth was very slow between March to September 2021. The list only increased by 164 subscribers in 6 months, whereas the moment I started actively marketing on TikTok, my list went from 947 to 1,965, which is more than double in just 5 months. This resulted in increase in sales for my online businesses as well. The second way I use to monetize on TikTok is through TikTok Creator Marketplace. I was invited by TikTok to join their Creator Marketplace. TikTok Creator Marketplace is the official collaboration platform to connect brands and creators on TikTok. With TikTok Creator Marketplace, creators can collaborate with brands on both paid and reward-based campaigns. The requirement to join TikTok Creator Marketplace used to be a minimum of 100,000 followers, but I think this is no longer the case because I got an invitation without the need to apply for it the moment I get 10,000 followers. I just got this invitation last December, which is 2 months ago, and within the first week, I got my very first paid brand deal. Subsequently, there were more brand collaborations. Now let me walk you through step by step how TikTok Creator Marketplace works. Once you receive an invite on TikTok app notification, you'll need to click sign up. Then you'll need to go through their onboarding steps and create a profile. You will be able to determine your rate during this step. As I'm pretty new on TikTok, I just put a reasonable amount of $100 as a guide price. Next, you just need to fill up the rest and you're done. On this marketplace, you'll be able to view all the collaboration invites and details of each campaigns. Whenever there's a brand who wants to work with you, you'll receive a notification like this. Each invitation has an expiry date, so make sure you respond promptly. Oh, by the way, if you prompt in all your response, you earn a very responsive badge. This badge helps you earn trustworthiness, makes you stand out from other TikTokers on this marketplace, and more brands will want to work with you. Another thing to take note is that you'll have the option to decline any campaign if you don't wish to accept the job. This is one of the brands that I've worked with. They will provide the campaign details and the deliverables. This brand wants me to create a TikTok video to be used as a sponsored video ad. I accepted the campaign and waited for more instruction. After a few days, there were no instructions even though I have provided my contact details. So I sent them an email that they have provided. They replied me with more campaign details, and from this I learned that I need to contact the brand directly every time I receive an invite, as the marketplace do not have a direct message function at that time. However, recently they've rolled out a new direct message function on the TikTok creator marketplace, but I have yet to try it out. The brand has agreed to pay $100 for a short TikTok video of less than 1 minute, plus product sponsorship worth $210. After I have confirmed all the campaign details and received the products, I went ahead to plan out the video. The brand has given all the pointers that I need to include in the video, so it's quite easy for me to plan out the flow of the content. Next, I went ahead and select a music that's trending on TikTok at that time, which I feel is quite suitable for the topic of the video. I prefer to always choose the music first before filming because I feel TikTok is all about trending music and audio. After selecting the music, I shoot a few different footages of the products and myself using the product. Then, I upload the video to the campaign for submission and waited for it to be approved. This is the video I created and it will appear as an ad on TikTok and won't be visible on my profile. I feel that this is a great exposure for my branding. Once the video is approved, you'll receive a notification saying the campaign is completed and I was paid after that via bank transfer. Please note that there won't be any payment processing made through the creator marketplace. All payment and terms are to be confirmed manually through correspondence between you and the brand. Generally, I feel that this is a fun way to monetize on TikTok because I can try different products and have an opportunity to get clients for my drop servicing agency, which lead me to the third way I use to monetize on TikTok, and that is to promote my services on TikTok. TikTok has been a great platform to promote my video services, probably because it is a place to feature videos as well as attracting clients who need video content creation or TikTok marketing services. I received many inquiries on these two services ever since I started on TikTok because I optimized my TikTok profile and also created contents around the services I offer for my drop servicing agency. TikTok has opened up a whole new opportunity for online business owners because the reach and exposure is huge. I managed to get organic international clients without the need to spend on any paid ads. So if you are an online business owner, a content creator, an entrepreneur, or a small business owner, you need to go on this platform and start growing your brand on TikTok. Bear in mind that there are hard work involved. I did post on a daily basis to achieve the result I want, plus some other strategies I use to grow my account. If you're interested to know, comment TikTok strategies below and I will do a video on this. Or if you have any questions on TikTok, please leave them down in the comment section below. I hope videos like this can help you open up another stream of online income. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!